In previous video we learned these 10 topics. If you not watch this video, then link is given in description, so go first and watch that video. So in this video we are going to learn these 5 tags. First is big tag, second a small tag in HTML, and third is subscript tag, superscript tag, fifth is pre-tag. This is our third lesson of HTML. If you not watch first and second lesson of HTML, then given link in description, so go first watch that video. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 59 Codes. My name is Sonu Sagar. So let's start. Big and a small tag. Big tag to display big and a small text on your web page. Syntax of big tag: within angular bracket write big and here close them. Write text that you want to write big, so in middle part, and same things for a small tag. So write in code. Firstly open notepad, save this file, index.html. Write simple syntax of HTML. Here we write syntax of HTML. Firstly we use big tag, so here write big and here big, big. Close it, save this file and open it on web browser. You can see here this is big, this is in of HTML h1 tag. Here you see difference between a small tag and big tag. This is our small tag and this is our big tag. Big tag so like as it is big and a small tag so small. So our next topic is a small tag in HTML. We already cover it, big and a small tag both. Third is subscript tag. So here write in code. Right here subscript tag. For subscript tag we write like H2O, then 2 is in the downward side, so write first H2 close subtag O, after it close H2 tag. Save this, refresh browser. So here write H2O, 2 is in downward side of H. So this is the subscript tag. Next is superscript tag. Write that in code. A square plus B square. Square is upside of A, so here write H2A. We need to send upside of 2. Then here super SUP plus B square. Then close H2 tag. Save this. Here we write A square plus B square. So this is superscript tag and this is subscript tag. In last we use pre-tag. So write this in code. Pre-tag same as a paragraph tag, but here difference between paragraph tag and pre-tag is here write a simple paragraph, then here give a space and here write hi. We can see here this is paragraph tag, We give a space on both paragraph and pre-tag. Paragraph tag give not a space in output here, and pre-tag give a space when you want to write paragraph according to your, then use of this pre-tag. Now high comes on down here. So this is the benefit of pre-tag. So we cover these 5 topics in this video. I hope you are enjoying. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon, select all option and like this video. Thanks for watching this video.